Looking for a stylish and reliable wall switch for your home or office? In this video, we're taking a closer look at modern wall switches designed to provide convenient control while adding a clean, elegant touch to your interior. With practical designs, easy operation, and different styles to match various spaces, these switches can be a great choice for bedrooms, living rooms, offices, and more. So, let's explore the design, features, installation style, and overall usability of these wall switches. Stay tuned and let's get started. Number 5. Bseed EU Standard Touch Sensor Dimmer Switch. Description: upgrade your lighting control with the Bseed EU Standard Touch Sensor Dimmer Switch, featuring a modern crystal glass panel and touch-sensitive operation. Designed for a clean and stylish look, this one-gang, one-way dimmer switch allows you to conveniently control compatible dimmable LED lighting while adding a premium touch to your interior. The sleek panel design makes it suitable for bedrooms, living rooms, offices, hotels, and other modern spaces. Key features: EU standard one-gang, one-way design. Crystal glass panel with modern appearance. Compatible with suitable dimmable LED lights. Available in white and black options. Includes adapter. Number 4. No neutral wire wall switch with Alexa and Google Home. The Tuya Zigbee Smart Light Switch with radar motion sensor is a modern lighting control solution designed to add smart functionality and convenient automation to your home. Featuring radar motion sensing, the switch can detect movement and help automate compatible lighting according to your needs. Designed for installations that do not require a neutral wire, this wall switch offers a practical solution for many existing electrical setups. It also works with compatible Tuya Smart Home Systems. Key features: Tuya Zigbee Smart Wall Switch. Built-in radar motion sensing. Designed for no neutral wire installation. No capacitor required according to the product design. Supports smart lighting automation. Number 3. American Black Tempered Glass 16A Two-Way Light Switch. The American Black Tempered Glass 16A Two-Way Light Switch combines modern design with practical electrical functionality for contemporary homes, offices, hotels, and other indoor spaces. Featuring a stylish black tempered glass panel, this 118 series wall outlet adds a sleek and premium look to your interior. Designed with a 16A two-way light switch, it provides convenient lighting control from compatible two-location setups. Key features: 16A two-way light switch design. Premium black tempered glass panel. 118 by 75 mm wall plate size. US-style power outlet. Built-in USB Type-C charging port. Number 2. Gold tempered glass 16A 250V rocker switch. The Wisa Luxury Crystal Tempered Glass Wall Switch combines elegant design with practical everyday lighting control. Featuring a premium gold crystal tempered glass panel, this two-gang one-way rocker switch adds a sophisticated touch to modern homes, hotels, offices, and commercial interiors. Designed for on-off lighting control, the switch supports a rated specification of 16A AC 250V and features a flame-retardant construction for added durability. The smooth glass surface gives the wall a clean, stylish appearance while being easy to wipe and maintain. Key features: luxury crystal tempered glass panel. Elegant gold finish for a premium appearance. Two-gang, one-way rocker switch design. On-off lighting control. Rated 16A AC 250V. Number 1. Tuya Wi-Fi Smart Light Switch. The Tuya Wi-Fi Smart Light Switch is a modern wall switch designed to bring convenient smart lighting control to your home. Featuring a sleek glass touch control panel and a US standard design, it provides a stylish upgrade for bedrooms, living rooms, offices, and other indoor spaces. Available in 1, 2, 3, or 4-gang configurations, this smart switch can control compatible lights while supporting convenient wireless operation. Key features: Tuya Wi-Fi Smart Light Switch. US standard wall switch design. Sleek glass touch control panel. Available in 1/2/3/4 gang options. Designed for compatible no neutral wire installations. Supports RF 433 control.